Be good.
Okay, well, let's start over. So
We're at a car meet. Ooh.
basically, we'll show you what we do at a car meet.
In a small town.
Walk around and check out Centros, Malibus, DQs, and
Sentra is the best though.
yeah. And just
Yes,
kinda
sir.
random-
I hear it's
Car is best car.
I hear it's automatic. Hey, what you got done to that thing, bro? SR20?
The intercooler's in the back, rear mount intercooler. Does that make the most sense? But yeah, man. I would race, but tires are bald. So it's got a 3.5-speed transmission in it.
Automatic?
Yeah.
That's life, right?
Yeah.
Auto is life.
Right wheel drive. These wheels.
So guys, that's what we do at a car meet.
Hey, don't forget, aerodynamic bump.
Yeah.
Aerodynamic bump. And it's
This
like
actually
golf
provides
ball.
downforce to the front for cornering.
No, it's like a golf ball, you know, more divots,
Yeah.
more
Yeah, it's
high
aerodynamic.
speed
Exactly.
stability. Exactly.
It's actually faster than both of these cars combined.
Combined. Oh.
I will say this is an actual VQ that doesn't sound like shit.
Oh, the VQ 37s?
Yeah,
no, I heard him when he pulled
this
in.
No,
one
they do
actually
sound good.
Does not sound.
No, they do really sound good.
That's the first time I heard it. I was like, wow, that is, I think, the first VQ I've ever heard that does not sound horrible.
Yeah, but let's be honest. The only Nissan 6s that truly sound good are inline 6s.
Yeah. Everybody likes a V6.
Except
Except that's not.
it's an RB20 DDG. It's
Yeah,
good.
actually.
I don't know, I want to go check out this Volkswagen. It is. Look at that underglow. Look at that underglow.
Yeah, man. This fucking guy.
Swear to God, I see bullshit on fucking Facebook about my Ricer lights.
I'm not picking on your Ricer lights. Listen, you have a white Jetta. It's like it's inherent. I mean, it's not the same generation Jetta, but
Side note, we are going to talk about his Ricer lights.
oh, dude, you got the LEDs there too.
Go inside for jag mic material.
I want to go inside.
Hey, this car gets more pussy.
You
than Chinese restaurant.
I saw you got the new turbo on, right? It's actually boosting now.
A little bit.
A little bit. I saw something like 27 pounds. Is that all right?
Is this car going to be a subject of the next full episode?
This car is awesome.
It is Wolfsburg edition.
Wolfsburg.
It's always been 17. I would always just post like low numbers fucking with people, but it's always 17. Yeah, I'm already there.
The headlights are really clean.
Big glass.
They're clean.
Yeah, it's there's shit knocking that doesn't need to be.
Yeah.
I'm sure that's fine.
I turn the
Hi,
radio
buddy.
off.
You mind if I record your car?
To 20.
You sure?
Citrus County's fine.
Citrus County's finest.
Oh, Rusty.
There's nothing wrong with Rusty at all.
I'm gonna Christmas wrap the hood.
What gap? There is no gap. Hmm?
What size turbo is your car come with?
The tiniest one, like
It's like a KO3. Ours are.
I got a KO4.
Ooh.
You're probably actually been staring straight.
So low.
Stance, bro.
How's it running? Is it still running good and everything? Yeah, yours. Yeah,
Still gotta go over.
that's good.
Working that way.
Starting to feel slow again because I'm used to it.
Let's just getting used to it. Yeah. All right, we're gonna go look. We're gonna very, very carefully navigate around some Mustangs because they may lurch forward and attack.
Yeah, I was working on one today. It didn't move forward on me. That's because I forgot to put it.
All right, we're gonna be very
You
careful.
gotta go look at the front of his car. That's the one that'll scare you.
That's the one that'll scare
Oh
us.
yeah, well he did just get John, you just did long tubes, correct?
Yes.
How
hard?
hard? Well, how hard was it?
They were actually weren't hard. They weren't that hard.
Oh,
I know on the code.
I love it. You got that sticker.
The hardest part was
I also love how the first thing you said was, "Do you want to hear it?" Like, yes.
Les had to get in there and open the holes up a little bit.
Ask John to rev his engine? Yeah, you'll have to really twist his arm to get that to happen.
If you want, you want a video of that?
Oh
Right
yeah.
over the back.
Oh, by all means,
He just got long tubes.
let it sing. That sounds off. You
why we
smell
like
that smell?
Yeah, it would deeply offend tree hugging hippies.
I love it.
I love that smell.
That was
As
a great
Jeremy
smell.
Clarkson said, I don't always rev my engine at stoplights, but when I do, it's next to a Prius so they can hear me hurt the environment.
You all right? You all right? You gonna smoke another one? You good?
It's just a little
We're
cough.
losing him.
You puking in the corner? All right. Oh.
Sorry to make you open the corner. You're going to be featured.
I've been there a couple of times.
No, and I don't do headers. I don't need them. I'm still louder than he is.
You make more power, and that's what's really important.
That is true.
Gotta get this guy to pop the hood for you.
He has to pop the hood too?
Yeah.
Whoever else needs to pop the hood, I guess it's mandatory you have to now.
Sorry, the pop the hood.
I mean, you get the one-legged guy said you have to, so now we've mentioned, if I'm not mistaken, we've mentioned this car before a couple times, right, in our episodes. Yeah,
Mobile One Loop Express and Crystal River.
yeah.
Does fine handy work.
That's his toy.
Does great water pumps.
Yep.
Kyle did.
That's a big alternator you got on there.
I know, you must be able
You
to
got a
charge
big
a
old
lot of
sub in there.
electricity.
It's a 210.
Ah, the old Mopar 300ZX.
That car is cool.
Sniff but don't scratch. Oh, both the 300ZXs are here.
Huh?
We got a fuck ton of this car over here.
Fuck turn. Who's that? Oh,
Don't
we don't.
look at it, it's dirty. Dirty girl.
Can I get close to it?
Yeah,
Can I
that was
get-
been featured already, though.
Yeah, we've already featured that car. We don't need to
It
feature
doesn't look dirty.
Completely walked
It's
by
filthy.
we completely walked by our two cars. You do realize
Oh, we're not talking. Mine. I didn't drive my car. We'll go look at Brian's
You
though.
drove that truck, though.
Yeah, I did.
We still need to do a feature on your car, Brian.
Yes, we
that?
do.
Brian's? Yeah.
The almighty, all clean V6.
Mighty 4-point slow.
Mighty 4-point slow.
The cleanest car in existence.
Look, I have to keep it clean because it's slow. Everybody has longer to look at it.
Well, then they just reopened it
I got
because
something to say about that.
no guy that works there, and
This is the cleanest, and I got second.
they had the whole.
It is really clean. Yeah, that's fine.
And then also
Just in case you know.
I'll let
everything.
you guys figure that one out.
and they never seen mine either.
No.
They never seen mine either. Well, here, let's.
Oh yeah, let's.
Yeah, Les just did the suspension on his.
Yes. I love the way you
Say,
put.
his color. His color is my color.
Yeah, that was from dealership.
I didn't even realize that. The red stripe, man.
Yeah.
Works good on
It looks so nice. I love that color with the stripes and everything.
it. I was gonna say, yeah, that red accent stripe works really good.
Yes, it does. Look at them go. Look at them go. Look at them go. Here they come.
We got distracted.
All right.
Yeah, this
How many
one's-
ADD
this one's
kids
nice.
does it take to change a light bulb?
Don't look underneath, it's dirty.
I already did. It's dirty.
All the fun shit.
ST for Super Turbo.
Yes. Super turbo.
Super Turbo.
All the fancy lights and
And
all
look
that
at your truck.
Yeah. Yeah.
You're like, no, I'm not showing it.
I will. Oh yeah. See, look.
All right, give me the phone for a second.
Oh.
Give me the phone for just
Oh.
a second so we can get our. So there's Dan. That's the guy that's been filming us for a little while, and this is his truck.
Oh. Yes.
It did come with the bathtub in the back of it.
It ran here.
Yeah.
Will it make it home?
Sure it will. Maybe.
Top gear
We'll
rolls.
see. Yeah.
I'm sure it'll make it.
It's halfway through body work right now. Look, there's shiny stuff under the hood, so.
Not Top
Yes.
Gear rules. This is roadkill.
But this is almost patient zero for a pet peeve of mine.
Huh.
Square arches.
That's true.
That is
We
true.
can fix that. We can cut them round. They're cuttable.
I'm down for that.
There's space to cut a circle.
I think I might have it.
It's many different colors right now.
Yeah.
Pop it up. We'll make it triangles.
Yeah, we can do that.
Do what?
We can make wheel arches round.
Oh, the grill's not secure, so don't mess with that. It might fall out. It's not that bad.
It's good.
It comes forward more than it does backwards.
Yeah,
And
it's a Chevy in the 80s, so it was like that when it was new.
yeah, and turn signals don't work, so it's okay that they're not plugged in any lights and there's no tag lights.
Also a
or anything.
Chevrolet from the 80s.
I have to ask you this because you really might know this. There was a movie, early 80s. Guy gets mad. Something happens with a guy where he decides to go vigilante, and he takes one of these and armors it up and makes it into a vigilante machine, and is out like there's a gang out there, and like there's one scene
I'm
where he
interested
actually
to
has
know.
a harpoon on the truck. He fires the harpoon and hooks the car, and it's like burning tires, dragging the car back. Wondering if you've ever seen this.
I'm actually shocked that I don't recognize that.
I'm gonna have to do some research.
What is that? What?
Sorry, baby. We're busy.
What is this? There are these.
Okay, and that right there is another pet peeve of mine.
Okay.
Retrofit lights.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, I hear you.
No, but yeah.
At least that one's boosted. Oh yeah. Oh, well, take a look at the white turds. Like, I think they went straight in for
You
food.
gotta look at the Ranger that just pulled into the drive-through. That's a really clean, looks like a 93 to 95 Splash. Right, Splash with actually decent looking wheels on it. That looks really good.
I love how excited you are for a
Well,
Ranger
no,
Splash.
sorry. I just under the lights when it pulled in. That it looked really
All I
good.
can see is headlights and fog lights, but I can tell that is a Ranger.
Splash.
Not gonna lie. Back in '95 when I was laid up in the hospital, I did have the dealership for Ranger Splash, and I was like, I want a yellow one.
Yes, I had a yellow RC truck one that had the whole KC light bar and all that.
Oh,
I had a Nyland.
that's an S10. That's a Sonoma.
Yeah,
That's a Sonoma.
I need glasses.
Thanks, guys, for joining us at the local car meeting.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is.
Hope you enjoyed a little bit of this.
Yeah,
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah.
And
That's pretty much all our viewers too. So.
Yeah.
Right.
yeah, this is
Make-
true. It's
yeah,
I think all of our viewers.
yeah, that's like exception level shit.
perfect. Yeah, perfect. So don't forget.
See you next week.
Yeah, pay attention to what we're doing. Don't forget it's Facebook. We're on Facebook, and of course, if you're following us on our YouTube,
My shirt's different.
It's toast.
So,
He's toasted.
Might have videos coming out tomorrow of pulling the whole entire top end of my motor apart in 86. That's basically going to end up to probably a 3-month-long project of the motors coming out of the car, because that's how it usually ends up.
Dude.
So.
But make sure you stay tuned,
Let's
guys.
face it, the ultimate demise of that car will be in the front yard on fire.
Oh,
Yeah,
That's without me in it.
Yeah,
oh.
I gotta put them in it.
And on that terrible note, have a good night, guys.